Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Nazri. Uh, my method number is B0717100279. Okay, my supervisor name TS Dr. Irman bin Ramli. Okay, my project is design the portable washing machine and investigate the vibration of portable washing machine body. Chapter 1, I will discuss about introduction, problem statement, objective, and scope. Okay, for the chapter 2, literature review, and for the chapter 3, selection material, work process, total cost, and flowchart. For the chapter 4, I will discuss about specification of important material, development of design, result and data of study, and analysis of study. For the last chapter, I will explain about conclusion and recommendation. Okay, let's see about chapter 1, introduction. Okay, for introduction, the portable washing machine is a home appliance used to wash our clothes in any place. In a portable washing machine, vibration can happen in overall body part, especially main body. Okay, for the problem statement, affecting the machine if the vibration on it high can reduce the lifespan of the machine and cause damage to components in the machine such as shaft crack. Last, the market price of portable washing machine is very expensive. Objective for this project, to identify the vibration condition on the machine by using vibration equipment. To design the portable washing machine by using DC motor. Project, first is to design and build the own design portable washing machine. To make this project, it will use the low cost material to investigate the vibration on machine. The way to investigate it by using vibration equipment such as computerized vibration system. Last, to speed will be checked to decide which speed will decrease the machine vibration. Finally, after evaluating the project. Okay, chapter 2, literature review. Okay, for the literature review, first author is a Corey Ketonet. Okay, the journalist create the portable washing machine with a hand-operated small washing machine with an improved lid is disclosed. Okay, this is a view for Corey Ketonet portable washing machine. Okay, for second one, the name of author is a Carl et al. The journalist create portable washing operate by a DC motor that is connected to a battery that is charged by a solar cell, so that a portable DC washing machine use a non-conventional energy source. Okay, this is a view of a solar portable washing machine. And for the last author is a Bata Wadeka. The journalist invented a washing machine using a bicycle design. By pedaling, the washing machine will rotate and wash the clothes without using electricity. Okay. Okay, for chapter 3, methodology. Okay, selection of material for this project is first, rectangular barrel. The outer tub protects the interior of the tub and support its true cycle of washing of clothing. Polymer is suitable with the barrel because many advantages using it, such as not so expensive, water resistant, anti-corrosion, and not heavy. DC motor and cordless drill. Okay, for the second material, is supplying the energy to shaft and produce force in the form of torque exert on the shaft of the motor. The rotation will be formed and rotate the shaft by based on the power provided by motor. Plus, for the third material is plastic barrel. Two buckets must combine together to create the space closed into it. The bucket held with shaft because the energy from motor transfer to shaft for making the rotational. The hole in the surface to let the water flow to the shirt and shaft. Price are cheaper than a steel shaft. Plastic for the next material is a plastic pipe voucher. Remove of wastewater of soap from the rectangular bin. Material pipe voucher is plastic or polymer. Okay, for next material is a hinge. This is used as a door opener and a cover on the dustbin. Okay, for the next material is plywood. This plywood is used as a place for the cordless drill. The measurements for plywood must be correct. Epoxy hardener and the resin putty is the next material. This epoxy is used as a glue to attach the barrel body to the PVC shaft. So the PVC shaft will not be turned off when the cordless drill rotates. Okay, next door installation tools. The door installation tool will be connect between the cordless drill and the PVC shaft. When the cordless drill trigger is pressed, this tool eye will rotate the shaft. The last material is a screw bracket used to connect plywood with other plywood as a tool. And for the second point is an effective instrument for cordless drill stabilization. Build the portable washing machine. Okay, first step is to cut the top of the dustbin. This process is to create the door hole for the dustbin, so the cloth will be put inside the space of the dustbin. Two, drill the side of the dustbin. This hole is made to connect the two dustbin. After making the hole, place the bolt and nut. For the third step, make a hole at the bottom of the dustbin. To put the shaft, is must to drill first the dustbin. Then glue it by using the hardener and resin epoxy. Leave it for 30 minutes for the epoxy to harden. Next, put the hinge at door of dustbin. After epoxy harden, then put the hinge at door. So the cloth will not come out from bin when portable washing machine spinning. Next, before put the cluster of two dustbin in barrel, the barrel must be drilled at left and right side. It is because to put the shaft on it. Next, put the dustbin into the barrel. Then test the dustbin by rotating it by hand. If dustbin cannot rotate, check it and adjust the shaft again until the good condition. To prevent damage on cordless drill, it needs a place to stand. So cut the plywood to the size provided. Make sure the measurements are correct to avoid problem during assembly. Then put the bracket at side of plywood and assemble it by using screw. Okay. Lastly, place the cordless drill on top of the plywood. Okay, this next is a total cost for this project. This total cost for this project is 86 ringgit 80 sen. Okay. Okay, so next I will discuss about flow of project progress. Okay, first start, and then I do the research literature review, and then I selection material, and then after selection material I start build the project. After build the project, I bring to the laptop the lab test, for the lab experiment. And then after the experiment, the data from the computerized information system will give the experiment result. So I do the data analysis, and then I do some conclusion and recommendation, and finish end. Okay, for chapter 4 is the result and discussion. Important material. Okay. Name is a portable washing machine by using cordless drill. Type of material, for the barrel, high density polyethylene. Plywood is a wood. For material shaft and drill tools, Polvin's chloride or stainless steel. Weight is a 3 kilogram. Type of motor, DC motor. Speed of motor, 0 to 1,500 RPM. Okay, for the top of motor, max and minimum is 30 to 12 Newton meter. For the battery is 12 Walton. For the length, wide height of container is 60 cm, 45 cm, and 40 cm. Length wide height of plywood is 40 cm, 25 cm, and 80 cm. Type of machine, of course, is portable. Capacity of load cloth is 1 to 5 pieces of cloth. Design. Okay, this is a sketch for sketch drawing. This was the first design before creating a portable washing machine. Okay, and then it's sketched using a pencil. Okay, for the next figure is a SolidWorks. Okay, the SolidWorks is an easy to use parametric design. Modular, meaning it can easily edit the design at any stage in the design process. Okay, next figure is a outcome design product. Okay, this is a product that has been successfully created and perfectly formed. The use of this machine is to wash clothes. It can be taken anywhere because characteristic of this product is portable and lightweight. Okay, this is a result and data of analysis. Okay, for the top speed one, result without water and result with water and cloth. Okay, this is a magnitude versus frequency graph. Okay, this is to show the graph of vibration for the top speed one. Okay, this is a top speed one with cloth and water. Okay, this is top speed 2 without water, with water enclosed graph. Okay, this is a graph for the without water, and this graph for with water and cloth. Okay, for analysis of study, based on the old graph, top speed 1 has less vibration than top speed 2. It is due to the use of low torque at speed 1. Hence, as the washing machine rotates, the vibration in the container is also decreased. Both top speed one data also show an even and stable graph. Otherwise, the data from graph top speed 2 are not stable. In this case, the top speed are not recommended to use. The speed 2 from DC motor cholesterol has a high torque. In this case, the machine, especially the portable shaft washing machine, will suffer severe damage. Okay. For last, for analysis of study, the comparison between both speed, it's proved the speed 1 is recommended for this product. The motor from cholesterol can run smoothly without high vibration on it. Okay. For the chapter 5 is a conclusion and recommendation. Okay. For the conclusion, what I can conclude, the project has been completely identified the vibration on the machine by using the vibration equipment, such as computerized vibration system. The second one is the product has been designed and successfully built a portable washing machine without any problem. Okay. For the last conclusion is this item is also low in cost total, 86 ringgit 60 cent is below RM 100 ringgit and affordable price. It's lightweight as well and can be taken anywhere. Okay. For the recommendation for future works, the design of the portable washing machine can be suggested to develop one wall product with all the aspect design. The design can maintain the same dimension, but the selection material of the shaft can be changed. It because the strength of the PVC shaft is not as strong as an excessive load is placed. If too much of the load is placed, it will break the shaft and cause damage to the portable washing machine. Another suggestion is that the damping mechanism must be more explored in the future production in portable washing machine. Furthermore, it can be reducing the vibration by using damper on it due to extend the lifespan of product. Okay, this is a sneak peek for my work process to wash the clothes. Okay, from the video. So that's fine.
Tadi pakai laptop. Uh, laptop.
So thank you very much.